Today's topic is most favorite lawyer in India. The first one is the most popular, most talked about, Ram Jethmalani. Shri Ram Jethmalani was a great lawyer, razor sharp intelligence, very specific. His fees also were astronomical, and he defended a number of criminals and helped them escape the noose. That is why I wouldn't say he is my favorite lawyer, though I have learnt a lot by watching him in debates and studying the way he used to disseminate a case or put up a case. The second one is Mr. Nani Palkhiwala, whose dissemination of budgets every year was a great event in Mumbai. He also was a very eminent lawyer and has contributed positively in number of constitutional cases, including the Keshavananda Bharati case. But two things which go against him. One, he was a businessman who made his company go to the brink of bankruptcy. He was the chairman of ACC for a long time, and in this long tenure, the company only went from good to worse. Nobody talked about this failure, it was hush-hushed, but the share market tells the tale. So, he is not known as poor businessman, but he is known as eminent lawyer. But the other thing, in my opinion, that goes against him is that he defended Union Carbide in the Bhopal gas tragedy, and he defended it so well that the case was restricted to remain within India's boundary. He did not allow the case to go to the international court. Had it gone to international court, it would have been a class action suit, and the compensation that the victims got would be multi times more. Also, it would be in dollars, and also it would have changed the laws forever. Whereas, because it was restricted in India to remain in the Indian courts, the compensation was limited, and that too came after a long time. It was a case of too less, too late, and the person responsible was the one who defended Union Carbide, Mr. Nani Palkhiwala. Of course, I understand that it could be his professional compulsions, but for me, the broad understanding of a lawyer is the one who puts the side of his client in the best possible way in front of the court or the authority. But even broader definition is that he does it for the betterment of mankind, betterment of the country, betterment of its people. And there is one lawyer who answers to this description. He was the youngest Advocate General in India at the young age of 34. And not only that, what he did, he relentlessly worked in the violent prone Northeast India, and he brought people from those areas closer to the mainstream. Not only that, he worked as counsel for them and brought them to the negotiation table with the government of India. He defended their leader Lal Denga, brought him to negotiation table, and also was responsible for brokering the Mizo peace accord, which lasted for many years. And because of this peace accord and then his role in implementing it, Mizoram became a state with lesser amount of violence. The insurgency was curbed. The people where their feelings were assuaged, and it is today one of the top states in the Northeast India. What is the name of this advocate? What is the name of this lawyer? You are all very familiar with one part of his name, and that is Swaraj. Yes, he is better known as the spouse of Mrs. Sushma Swaraj, the late Foreign Minister of India. He is Mr. Swaraj Kaushal. He was the youngest Advocate General in the history of India, one of the youngest advocates to practice in Supreme Court, and the one who answered to the broad description of a lawyer, the lawyer who gets win-win situation for both, the lawyer who acts as wise counsel for his client as well as the opposite side, and the lawyer who acts in the better interest of the country and its people. That is Mr. Swaraj Kaushal. Namaskar.